Welcome to today's episode of The Future at Work. I'm your host, and today we have a special guest, Raj, the CEO of a leading enterprise. We're diving into a hot topic, how AI is reshaping the modern workplace. Raj, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me. Excited to talk about this important shift.
So, how your organization recently implemented generative AI across its operations. What was the driving force behind this decision?
Our goal was to enhance productivity and efficiency. AI helps automate routine tasks like summarizing reports, drafting emails, and handling workflows. This frees our employees to focus on high impact creative work instead of being bogged down by repetitive processes.
That sounds promising. But many employees fear AI might replace their jobs. How do you address those concerns?
That's completely understandable. But AI isn't here to replace people, it's here to assist them. Think of it as an enabler that takes care of mundane tasks, allowing employees to focus on strategic thinking and innovation. It's about augmentation, not substitution.
That makes sense. But what about creativity? Some worry AI might dilute the human touch in their work.
AI can generate drafts and provide suggestions, but the final product, the creativity, the personal touch, still comes from people. AI is just a foundation. Employees build upon it with their unique insights and expertise. It helps them work smarter, not take over their roles.
Another concern is that AI might turn employees into task managers rather than creators. How do you ensure AI is used effectively?
It's all about the right implementation. We're using AI-powered platforms like ServiceNow to streamline workflows, but we're also investing in upskilling our workforce. We're providing learning programs to ensure employees use AI as a tool to enhance their problem solving and innovation, rather than just automating everything blindly.
That's great to hear. So, in your vision, AI isn't just a tool for automation, it's a partner in innovation?
Exactly. AI is here to amplify what we do best. It enables smarter decision making and allows people to focus on meaningful work. The key is embracing AI as an ally rather than fearing it.
Well, this has been an enlightening conversation, Raj. Thanks for shedding light on how AI can enhance, not replace, the modern workforce.
My pleasure. Always happy to discuss how we can create a future where humans and AI thrive together.
And that's a wrap for today's episode of The Future at Work. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.